How to build a better bird cage. Regular bird cages are beautiful, but the feathers, seeds, and water do come flying out through the bars. Terrariums are used for plants and reptiles. I purchased one for my bird because after 4 different cages, none stopped the mess. Even with skirting around it, I still had bird seeds, feathers, and all kinds of stuff on the floor. Terrariums come in 6 different sizes. They can be fully dressed or completely empty. Please notice the top comes off very easily. It's a metallic bug screen. Also at the bottom of the glass door is a built-in air vent, 18 inches by 1 inch. Plenty of air flows through the tank. Now for the inside. This is what I put together. This is a removable unit, easy to remove for cleaning. A plastic over wire dish holder with 3 wood perches that I purchased from my local pet store. Wing nuts and washers hold it together tightly. Next is a couple of pieces of PVC piping, not glued, held onto the wire plastic coated frame with plastic zip ties. You can construct any unit you wish to put together. Just keep in mind the safety of the birds, no sharp edges, etc. The food and water dishes can also be retrofitted to hang on the wire frame. Easy on, easy off. Remember, these dishes must be washed every day. Next, you will add corn cob medium to the floor of the tank. Do not use pine shavings or cedar shavings. Those are a respiratory problem for the birds. Now for bedding the birds down for the night. I made an A-frame from this cheap item I purchased from Walmart. It sets on top so as to allow the air to flow while being covered at night. Please note the bedding covers the front and 2 sides, not the rear. The rear must stay open for airflow. Please note, this is very important. Please do not cover the tank unless something is up on top to allow air to flow through.